On 7th of January, executive meeting for the formation of reception committee for the 49th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2023 was conducted by Karbi Cultural Society at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. Under the initiative of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee, an executive meeting was conducted on 7th January from 11 a.m. onwards at Longnurjing Stage, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. The meeting was chaired by Chandra Singh Kro, President of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee. Before the meeting was initiated, a homage was paid to two former activists of Karbi Cultural Society, late Pari Rongpi and Pratap England. The objective of the meeting was briefed by Bida Singh Rongpi, General Secretary of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAEC, attended the meeting as a guest along with Bida Singh Engling, MLA, Raju Tiso, Chairman of KAEC, EMs, MECs and various important dignitaries of Karbi Anglong attended the meeting. Richard Togby, EM, KAEC, as well as the General Secretary of 48th Karbi Youth Festival Reception Committee, while delivering his speech, shared the expenditures of the festival and also about the peaceful and successful conduction of 48th Karbi Youth Festival 2022. After a prolonged discussion, Bida Singh Engling, MLA, and Richard Togby, EM, were unanimously re-elected as the President and General Secretary respectively for the 49th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2023 due to their excellent supervision in the conduction of the 48th Karbi Youth Festival 2022. A music audio titled Seng Ting Niri from Langsun Production was officially launched by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAEC, amidst the executive meeting.
Tirikam Mike yang ni bomatum Bida Singh lenga kahai la pen Richard dong bia kahai to mansi uthot igdeng tikara sirkep lasokar birisun sorong aju kata lonje mansi atum mansi artu dai kontu la pen ke kapre ka sub committee atum han ke mo Tirikam Mama itu independensi kang dakon ko pen
ini itu kan utang song dan kado ini cuma halo kedamkan aningkana klaim dan meser lapel tangka maha mu ko ta men seng lo ka son ko ki kan ko din kan utang song ini ten long apa yang isi kan sangjin do alang itu klaim ke pan jalang itu mana bangso ning ke cete pen uthot alang itu ma phal apa kebra sir kep ang bengka di sum sorong aja nengkan sini ning ko da Harman jalan tinggal di Brazil, pusat jadi pondok.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.